Cash on Delivery, COD, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we'll explore a common phrase you might encounter in the world of shopping and transactions: cash on delivery, or COD. This term is often used in business and commerce, and understanding it can be very useful, especially in today's world where online shopping is so prevalent. Let's dive in. Cash on delivery is a type of transaction where the payment for goods or services is made at the time of delivery rather than in advance. If you buy something online and choose COD, you pay for it when it arrives at your doorstep. This method is popular because it reduces the risk for buyers. They don't have to pay until they receive the item. In a COD transaction, when you place an order, you don't make an immediate payment. Instead, the item is shipped to you. Once it arrives, you pay the delivery person in cash. Sometimes, other forms of payment like credit cards or mobile payments are also accepted, depending on the seller's policy. Advantages. 1. Security. Buyers feel safer as they only pay upon receiving the item. 2. Convenience. It's easy for those who do not prefer online payments. 3. Trust. Helps build trust between buyers and new online sellers. Disadvantages. 1. Delay in payment. Sellers have to wait until delivery for payment. 2. Risk of returns. Buyers might refuse the item at delivery, causing loss to the seller. 3. Limited to certain areas. Not all locations offer COD services. Cash on delivery is a good option when you're buying from a new or unfamiliar online store. You prefer not to use online payment methods. The seller offers it as a preferred payment method. That's all about cash on delivery. It's a straightforward concept, but very important in the world of e-commerce. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding this term and how it's used in everyday transactions. Happy shopping, and see you in our next video.